The point of today's conversation is to basically break down live events as a business opportunity.
If you want to start event stuff, please don't do it in the style. You can ask
Lahore
do it in the
hotel.
hall.
Events is one of the most risky businesses.
Yeah.
Majority of people, I would say over 90% of the events lose money.
They go like, oh, we have to save money, let's not do this much amount of bouncers. But then they try to save money on barriers, on things, security, banding,
Yeah.
a
One of
bouncer.
the things that matter the
thing
most.
that matters the most, exactly.
Yeah.
And then this turns out to be disaster for everyone.
And I really think of it, everything from an emotional perspective. I'm not a very operational, like my husband is, but I'm just like, feeling kya hogi? Feelings are...
That's a good framework to view an event. In terms of different kinds of events, like what do you think Pakistan is ready for now? So yeah, आधी तो बातें हमारी वैसी होती हैं. But anyway, thanks a lot
Repeat
for
the-
but thanks a lot for making the time today, guys. And so the point of today's conversation is to basically break down live events as a business opportunity. ठीक है ना? अब उसमें हमारे पास दो सेट्स ऑफ ऑडियंस हैं. एक वो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो जाके लाइव इवेंट्स के बिजनेसेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, whether small, whether big, whether in a big city or a small city. And number two, existing businesses, SME startups, whoever, who wants to use live events as an opportunity to say build a brand, to market better.
Yeah.
So let's start. So basically, the way I understand it, there is the conceptual side. How do you come up with a concept for a live event? Then there is the sales side. How do you market and sell it? And then there is the execution side.
Yeah.
Actually, event के दिन सब कुछ वैसा ही हो जो
Yeah.
आपने imagine किया या जो बेचा है वो. So let's start talking about the concept, right? Now, what kind of concepts? So, number one, you've done Mashin, you've done Commons, right? You do Ticketwala, so you have a good sense of trends, right? Now, what kind of events do you see, like in terms of concepts, that you've seen abroad, that you've seen working abroad, but haven't yet seen in Pakistan? Yeah, and how did you come up with your own perspective? So, Tito, do you want to start?
Sure. So the Commons came about as a very happy accident. It wasn't something that I envisioned would grow to the scale that it has. It was COVID and we had access to a space and someone said, you want to do something here? And people suggested a farmer's market and I wasn't really into organic veggies, but I like shopping. So I was like, let's do a maker's market. And it grew very organically. So I didn't have a plan per se. And my partner, who's also my husband, Fahad, and I literally built it step by step. So we did one, it did well. Then we're like, acha, thoda sa bada kar lete hain. And then it kind of grew very much like that. But I feel that there's so much scope for different concepts. It's just that in Pakistan, I think one of our struggles is that you really have to educate the audience first. Koi bhi nayi cheez lane se pehle, they have to see it 3-4 times. They have to see it executed again and again. Then they get excited about it.
Yeah.
So that's a bit of a struggle. So I think the pop-up market is doing well because ab itni zyada ho rahi hai and people are getting used to it. But any new concept, I think, is always a bit of a struggle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think, and especially I think because Sitwa did this, she was like one of the first movers. The education part, is the toughest part. Like for anything you're trying to do. I did streetwear like 5 years ago.
Yeah,
And I remember like the toughest part was just being like, oh, this is streetwear and you can also wear it, to a party. But
Yeah.
it was tough, right? And by the time we were done doing the education,
Yeah.
there were 10 other people. We were tired and there were 10 people doing it.
Solid run.
Yeah.
Well,
But with Mashing, I think it was just because we were already building this community and like we were working with small businesses and, just content and all of that. I think there was that sense of, okay, let's take this. We've had this struggle of everyone calling us Mission. And it's like, for the first time after we did the event,
Bazaar.
it was like someone actually knew, oh, Mashin.
Okay.
But like, I think doing that live event really gave us that thing of, okay, cool, we're a real thing. And we can take that online community and bring it live. But again, conceptual Wiley Cheese, like, I think what still works here is Chand Raat. And for us, I think last year for the first time we did Basant. Because we were like, okay, you know what? Like, there's other stuff. We have other things that we've stopped celebrating. And we did it because Karachi mein wo issue nahi hai, Lahore wala.
Yeah.
And now Lahore mein bhi issue ho raha hai. So like we were so happy actually. We were like, okay, wow, now that's something
That's
that,
an opportunity.
you know, like when I was a kid, it was like I used to go to Marina Club and fly kites, and it was a very normal thing. And then we just stopped celebrating it. So I think the concept part is like we have a lot of stuff to work with,
Yeah.
but you know, like we're limited and we have to work 10 times harder.
No, fair enough. But what are the kind of concepts that you feel are like you would do today? One thing I feel generally about the Pakistani market is कि अब मुझे लगता है कि because of Instagram, global trends,
Yeah.
कि जो education part है, that just seeps in very
Hmm.
like because
Yeah.
now people just see something happening somewhere else.
Yeah.
I would think of like sip and paint as one of those
Yeah.
things, right?
Yeah.
यहाँ coffee पीते हैं, बाहर कुछ और पीते हैं,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
the point is the same because you've seen some people abroad do it and it seems like fun. So
Yeah.
let's we can do it as well. So
Or even cake picnics, which
Yeah.
are like
Yeah.
a big trend in abroad, and now I've seen a bunch of
I mean,
companies.
even coffee raves are
Yeah, it's happening a lot.
you know, people are.
The
Yeah, so-
ideas they get executed here quite fast now, like you
Yeah.
said, right? So people see it on Instagram and whatnot, and they're like, "Chalo, ye karte hain." But the education part of it still takes time to sell tickets, to actually sell
Yeah.
those, to
Yeah.
get people to come. That takes time.
But
And
then
to
once
scale
you've
it.
done it,
So, yeah, to scale
but
it.
then once you've done it, other people try to copy it
Exactly.
and try to do it in a different capacity, different sort of way. Lekin it doesn't work out the best for. अगर
हाँ.
गलत हो जाए तो सबके लिए ही फिर
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
गलत है.
especially in the
okay,
beginning.
is that
Yeah.
how people think कि या और people think कि यार नहीं इसने गलत किया वरना चीज सही होती है. Or because people this just
I think they get educated.
बोले कि genre ही
Man,
I think they
it's-
get educated कि ये ऐसा ही है.
Yeah, it's a very copycat market. If you look at these guys were the pioneers when
Yeah.
it came to pop-up markets, right? And that was, when was your first one?
2021.
2021, right? So now we're 2026 almost. And so that's multiple events per year as well
Yeah.
for both of you guys. And then slowly you had more and more organizers come and say, यार ये लोग तो पैसे छाप रहे हैं, इतने लोग आ रहे हैं, हम भी करते हैं.
Yeah.
You know?
They वो कैलकुलेटर निकाल लेते हैं.
Yeah,
ये
yeah,
तो
yeah.
इतना बना रहे हैं मैं
Calculation गलत है
इतना
सारी.
तो बना ही दूंगा. No,
I
on
think what people underestimate, sorry to cut you, is that it's a real struggle. It's hard work. And we've both
Yeah,
had hits
yeah.
and misses. So
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
still learning. I'm still learning. There are times when, you know, like last year we tried a new venue, which was in Korangi. Big mistake. It didn't
Yeah.
work. So we realized कि अच्छा जो भी करना है DHA में करना है. मसला ये है कि डिफेंस वगैरह में venues बहुत कम हैं, बहुत limited हैं. And that also, the ones that do exist, I remember we went and sat at Andalusian, my husband and I. उस वक्त कोई public event नहीं हुआ था वहाँ पे. And they gave us so much grief. They were like, हमारा तो बड़ा high end crowd है, हम तो ऐसे events नहीं करते. And my husband can sell anything to anyone. So he charmed them. And he's like, नहीं बस आप try करें. And एक बार हुआ and they saw what the possibilities are. And then it gets into this very murky kind of category where the venues start getting a little exploitative, or they want to do a JV, which was a term I learned. What is a JV? I'm like, आप JV कर ले, JV कर ले. And then everyone kind of rushes to the same place. तो उस जगह की भी value कम हो जाती है क्योंकि हर किस्म का event है वही हो रहा है.
Okay, it has similar feats, right?
Yeah, and also again another funny thing that I keep hearing is like after any event they're like, आप हर हफ्ते करें.
we think about it. We do think about it.
like
पैसे आप कह रहे हैं.
हर हफ्ते ये जो 20,000 लोग आ
ये
जाएंगे.
जो
Yeah.
3-4 महीने का
Yeah.
काम होता है. But we tried that too क्योंकि हमें हर कोई कह रहा था तो हमने habit में try किया.
Right,
We were the
right,
first ones
yeah,
कि
yeah.
हर हफ्ते करें.
Yeah.
But उस वक्त again किसी को उस चीज की आदत नहीं थी,
Yeah.
तो वो 1 महीने हमने हर हफ्ते किया. It was so stressful and I was so I'm a very high strung emotional person. So I was like लोग नहीं आएंगे, vendors नहीं आएंगे, ये नहीं होगा, and I just stopped.
जो
And now
कहते
I've
हैं
heard कि
जो
वहाँ
कहते हैं हर
होता
हफ्ते
है.
कहते हैं वही नहीं आते.
So
But
yeah.
the scale is also very different,
It's
right?
very
If you're going to do it
different,
every
yeah.
single week, you can do it, but don't expect
I think
thousands
if you
and
have a
thousands of people.
location, so I think that's another thing, right?
Exactly.
Like
Yeah.
if you're a District 19 or if you have your own venue, right?
Yeah.
Then to curate these events and do things that makes sense. Actually, they have to do it, right? And I think that's another big events space, right? कि भाई आपका venue है, then you start curating events. Like let's say even if you have a coffee shop, your main goal is to get people in here.
Yeah.
So then that integration is like in this time and age, it's all about events and the live
Community
experience and community building, right? So like for you, I think that is a space that is now growing. These guys are a testament to just see it. I think just a couple of years ago, you'd go on Ticketwala and like there would be maybe 10 events a week happening or something like that. If you go now, I'm just like, wow.
Yeah.
It's like,
It's non-stop.
You keep on scrolling. You keep on scrolling.
I mean, for perspective,
The first one.
yeah, I'm always like, put me in the
Yes.
banner right now.
अच्छा आप featured banner आप check करें कितने लोग हैं वहाँ पे
कितने
ऐसे
लोग हैं?
लोग हमारे
अब तो लोग ब्लेम कर रहे होते हैं यार
Yeah.
आपने नहीं किया
Yeah.
सही से मतलब we did everything you didn't sell.
Yeah,
But yeah.
But okay, so in terms of different kinds of events, like what do you think Pakistan is ready for now?
I think huge concerts.
Yeah.
international.
International
ready.
artists.
We're ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready.
As long as there's
We can have like say a Ed Sheeran concert in Pakistan.
Ed
I think
Sheeran
so.
doesn't make. I don't think with the money thingy.
No, what is the money?
See,
Haan,
Let's
you
have
think
a
Ghana-
Like,
I think we can have a Coldplay, but I think the formula of doing Coldplay with the returns it doesn't match right now because the dollars they're charging, the amount of money they're coming in
so,
here.
okay, so how much do you think the Pakistani market is ready to pay for a premium, say, Coldplay event?
If they're flying to
Look,
another country to
that's what I'm
watch
saying.
Coldplay, they should be able
Like,
to.
well,
But
50,000 रुपए नहीं देंगे
but
ticket?
नहीं एक बात बताएं.
I think they देंगे.
Do you think we have a venue of even the stadiums that we have? Think about
This
that.
is- that's the-
जो
it's-
अगर हमें मिल भी जाते हैं, जिसके अंदर 50% आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो आपको दे रही है वो वेन्यू वो ले जाती है and you get left with the 50% remaining of
Is
the
that how it
venue.
works? Like, all
It's
the-
exactly.
So I think,
I
it's
think
one
with
of-
if Coldplay is coming, we just did.
Sponsors के passes.
मतलब setting up the stage and
Yeah,
not just
yeah.
the venue
Yeah.
It's
rental.
not just a
obviously, but
venue. And then if you go and do it over there, do you think we can bring in more than 40,000 people in that venue? Sell more than
people का कोई venue ही नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से.
if we go to
I
a
mean, you
stadium.
put on
If-
Minaare
Yeah,
Pakistan.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
think
ऐसे होते हैं
the
सब.
market is ready, but infrastructure
Why is
Yeah.
you
we're
not ready?
no one is seeing the potential.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the big, I mean, look, you might be doing well, but we don't have millions of dollars to pump into like venues and make a venue,
Yeah.
which we were speaking about. So I think infrastructure is not there.
Yeah.
The market is ready, and I
Yeah.
think they're ready to pay also.
Yeah.
So you think like 50,000 रुपए का भी ticket बिक सकता है?
Of course.
Yes.
I
यार
think
हम
so.
5 लाख रुपए का टिकट बेच रहे हैं।
Dreams
Yes.
दिख रहे हैं अभी.
हाँ.
Exactly. I know someone selling for 150K for just a lounge, like sitting and all.
Yeah, yeah.
You can do like maybe
Yeah.
1,000 of those. I'm just
Yeah.
saying अगर हमें 10,000 tickets बेचने हैं for like a Coldplay concert
Yeah.
and you're saying $200 a ticket.
I think
Just decent.
I look,
That's-
I
That's
think
नहीं
if
ना आपको कम से कम 40-50 हजार बेचते हैं.
So most concerts
and at
are
that
venues
price,
that's like
maybe 5,000-10,000 rupees, people are paying. People will
easy.
pay.
5,000
Coldplay.
तो लोग आज pay कर रहे हैं.
Exactly.
तो वही
So
ना,
now
no,
you'll
but
pay
you
a
see
little
the
bit on
scale
top.
is 40,000.
no, at least 10,000 people will buy a ticket for 50,000 rupees. At least.
Yeah, yeah.
If you tell them you will be standing 1,000 meters away from the stage or maybe even 1,500 meters away from the stage, they'll
The-
pay 50,000
The
rupees
thing
for
is,
Coldplay.
कि even if you buy a Coldplay ticket abroad, you'll pay that whatever 80, 100,
I
Yeah.
paid
$20,
I
right? तो वो
paid,
कितना हुआ?
$600 for 3 tickets.
You know it was happening,
for
right?
Coldplay this summer.
So that
Yeah,
I was 683 or something.
yeah.
And I paid about the same for Backstreet Boys. And that's very normal over there. But then I also paid the same for A.R. Rahman, so I don't know what's happening.
By the way, you know it was happening, right? There was a team dedicated of bringing first Coldplay and then the weekend.
Yeah.
And they had banners in Karachi also. And they were working really hard. I was working with them and all. But we didn't have the infrastructure or the support to bring them in.
I'm old enough to remember the Bryan Adams concert.
Yeah.
So ये वो हुआ था और लोग भी गए थे. It was successful.
Yeah.
It worked, but उसके बाद for some reason we never
Yeah.
had anything. like
Man,
that
look,
again.
it's two things. People will come, they'll spend money, the market is ready.
Market.
You'll make money on the
Yeah.
concert as well. You'll make a shit ton of money on the concert. It's infrastructure and it's security.
yes.
Like, realistically, you cannot bring an Ed Sheeran. Like you said, it can't be an A-lister. You'd have to bring a C-lister,
Yeah.
then a B-lister,
yeah.
then
There has
you
to
have
be step.
work your way
there
up.
has to be
as
step.
long as, you know, there's an event, all goes smoothly.
Because
More and
actually
more
the-
will keep
Yes,
coming.
I
Yeah.
mean, security provide kar hi rahe na, an insane security.
But
provide.
you see
But
that- I
also
think
look at what
that's it.
happens with the infrastructure side of things.
Yeah.
Pura city band ho jata hai, right? And now no one goes.
Yeah,
Who's
people
gone? You don't go anymore.
Brian, उसके नहीं आ जाएंगे Coldplay. National Stadium
Coldplay
की
के लिए
capacity.
तो I
But-
think पूरे पाकिस्तान से लोग आएंगे,
Yeah.
सिर्फ कराची से
Yeah.
लोग
Yeah.
नहीं आएंगे.
But it's not a private area, no? The national game is a public, like, you know, so you can't get it like that. You
Also,
just pay it and
there
you dig.
is a
dig it.
money shortage, right? That's where the sponsors will come in. That's where the government should also be like, okay, we
Yeah.
can cover this gap,
Exactly.
Yeah.
right? Because we need to change that image, right? So
100%.
even if there is a gap where it's like, oh, tickets can't be that expensive, they will have to come in, right? And that's also infrastructure. Like the government needs to know, okay, bhai, but we need to change the image so that people understand that we're open for business.
Yeah, that's true.
So they should pay up.
And look at the economic activity from Coldplay coming to India.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Absolutely
It's a whole
insane.
yeah.
Now everyone has come to India. Yeah, now, yeah.
For international
Even if we don't
acts,
start with Coldplay, we can start small, probably, you know, from some other artists coming in.
and for international
starting
acts,
less,
it is to see ke, acha, who's gone.
Yeah.
When we're sitting, it's like no one has gone. No one has gone.
I want to be the
It's like,
first guy.
you know,
हमारे
yeah, I can't be the first guy to go.
Accent aata
No, but
hai.
very
Yeah.
soon. Hopefully, very soon. I think within like probably
I mean, it's been the works
15,
for
16
what-
months,
what
yeah,
I
yeah.
know.
we're
in,
talking
like,
with a lot of
right.
people now.
And
Yeah.
A-listers in the world.
At some
Coldplay
point,
has been in the works.
Yeah, but I don't think Coldplay will come anytime soon. But an international artist will come very soon to Pakistan.
in,
And we'll
in
make,
2026, I
Yeah.
Uh,
think you'll
yeah,
have it.
definitely.
Like a B-lister.
Yeah, solid.
Hoना चाहिए,
Solid-
होना चाहिए.
solid B-list. Solid B-list.
Solid BB plus.
Yeah.
That's good.
But that's like better than nothing.
अच्छा चलो ये तो हो गई बड़े high end event की बात, right? Big concerts. Now in terms of small kind of events, concepts, जो tier A cities, tier 2 cities वगैरह हम different जगह पे कर सकते हैं, वो कौन सी opportunities हैं जो कि पाकिस्तान में नहीं है? Concert के अलावा वो तो एक music है, right?
I think you mean a commercial event?
Commercial events
Right.
से या मैं फैसलाबाद में बैठा हुआ हूँ या मैं मुल्तान में बैठा हुआ हूँ and I want to do something, make money. And I'm like यार मैं एक event organize कराता हूँ जिसमें मैं पैसे बना सकता हूँ. सही, एक तो आपका वो pop-up वाला
Yeah.
वो पूरा वो हो गया. उसके अलावा मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ?
सबसे पहले ये बताओ कि सच बताओ अपने स्पेस के अंदर तुम्हें कौन सी इवेंट करने ये आइडिया सही है ठीक है Direct go.
I think
मैं
there's
यहाँ
one
पे
thing.
कौन
There's
से
one
events
thing I would
करा
like to say.
सकता हूँ?
The idea of doing events to make money is not right. Is what I think.
Yeah, I also think, yeah.
I think because,
Yeah.
for example, after Mashin or even when we did Atif right now, after the very next day I get calls. यार बात सुनो वो जो अभी किया था आपने ना मेरे पास भी करोड़ रुपए पड़े दे के ना मुझे वो लैंड क्रूजर लेनी है या मुझे ये गाड़ी देनी है वो कर दो. The concept of making money out of events, you know, I think the main thing is that you build a goal and objective of what exactly you want to do,
Yeah.
and then see how it benefit you or how
So I want to get
revenue-
into business. So there are people who lose a entire career and as an
Yeah.
entrepreneurs, they just do events,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And they
No,
have
100% it.
branded like Commons is now
Yeah.
and Nation
Yes.
is now. Like you guys have these brands
Yeah.
and you can do different events.
Yeah.
तो Karachi eat हो गया. I mean, you eventually end up making money.
Yeah,
The
of
point is कि कौन सी ऐसी underserved areas हैं जहाँ पे where someone can just start off as a live event entrepreneur.
But man, I'll tell you, like, because we have direct access to all the data for all these events that are happening, right? Events, it's one of the most risky businesses.
Yeah.
Majority of people, I would say, over 90% of the events lose money. That's just
90%,
yeah,
that's
that's just a reality.
That's true.
And especially in Pakistan, you need sponsors to be able to cover the costs, and then ticketing should be your profit in an ideal scenario. And
so
most
these are the
people don't
basic
get sponsors.
Two revenue streams.
Yeah.
एक sponsor आ गया
Two.
और एक ticket बेच दिया.
Yeah,
इसके
because
अलावा-
Obviously, in a
Yeah.
pop-up market, you also
You
have
have
the
vendors.
revenues
Yeah.
that you get from
So I
the
think why
vendors,
that
which is-
model
yeah,
is
and
working,
really
right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a
Why
much more
that model
profitable.
works is that you have three streams.
A lot of your cost is
You know-
covered by
Exactly.
the
Vendors
stalls paying for
gives
it.
you money, the sponsor gives you money, and then there's ticketing. Whereas in a concert, let's say, it's
It's
tickets
just-
And sponsors.
and sponsors.
And
right?
you have to have some capital
Yeah.
to start off with.
Yeah,
to
of
pay
course.
the artists
Right,
and
right.
whatnot.
So another thing is that upfront money that you have to pay, let's say Hassan or Manu, all of that, you have to give up front. They're not gonna.
They won't get on stage.
They-
Even the
won't-
venue, even to
Just
start off
the
with the
venue,
venue, yeah, you just need to pay them first.
That cash up.
Yeah.
Now with, let's say, our models, the vendors are paying us beforehand, so we can use that capital
Yeah.
to cover venue and performance, and then.
But the first one that you did,
No, yeah, obviously, yeah.
You
I mean,
need-
look, it was sponsored.
You need support
But
of your
the first
vendors.
one like
I
I
think,
did
for that.
was, like I said, it was a stepping stone and it was very small. So उस वक्त तो कुछ concept ही नहीं था कि ये हो भी सकता है. And the first couple of ones we didn't have sponsors. I'm proud of the fact that the Commons did build a blueprint for a lot of people, and we did pave the way in terms of venues. It became easier for other people to enter those spaces because we had done the groundwork. But sponsorships is always a challenge because again we are very niche. हमारा एक number होता है वो ज़्यादातर exceed नहीं करता. We don't try to have like 50,000 people come to our event. It's a very specific age bracket, specific income bracket. तो उसकी वजह से it is a challenge, and I like to spend money, so I end up spending a lot of what like on the look and the aesthetic and all of that stuff. I remember when we started the Commons, we had done this movie night. जो बहुत सारे
Yeah, I
लोग जाके
remember.
हर वक्त बताते हैं niche events चाहिए, हमें niche events करना है. Been there, done that. So we did this movie night for couples on Valentine's Day, and I decided कि I want to make a picnic blanket. I'm obsessed with picnics. So picnic blanket चाहिए. उसके ऊपर मैंने cane की baskets बनाई. उसके अंदर खाना पीना, goodies, giveaways, all of that करके एक package बना के, and the ticket for that was 8,000 रुपए. I rented a friend's lawn in
per
DHA
person or
per couple.
Per couple.
And we got an SMD screen and we played Notting Hill because I like
Sweet.
that movie. So- and it was very sweet and they loved it and everything. And then when we sat down to do the maths, my giveaway to them was like 15,000-16,000. So my husband said, who are we doing this event for? And I was like, no, but I told him, you know what? It's our marketing budget. I just made that up on the fly, but it was our marketing budget because that people
That too.
started noticing us more and more.
Yeah.
So I think sometimes you have to be prepared कि आपको अगर serious player बनना है, you have to sometimes just do things for the sake of doing them, do them well, and then you get the payback.
So I think there's two discussions here, right? So one is the whole sponsorships angle, which we can probably all go on about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we should, right?
We
That's
should,
very
yeah.
important.
Yeah, yeah.
And the other thing is what you mentioned, which is you need to start small. So
Yeah.
the biggest
Yeah.
mistake that we see people making is that they'll do their first ever event and they'll say हमें 3 दिन का festival कराना है,
हाँ.
इसमें हमें ये 25 artists रखने हैं,
Mm.
pop-up करना, हर चीज करना है, ठीक है? One, they'll mix genres, ठीक है? आपका हसन होगा, उसके बाद कवाली चल रही होगी, उसके बाद
Yeah.
it's like,
Yeah, people don't understand.
and then it's like you're taking this massive risk and you're going to go on a hole. I tell them, I'm like, you will not succeed. You will not.
Yeah, we
succeed.
keep on
Don't
telling
do
people. We
this.
keep on telling people
I-
you'll make a loss.
Yeah, नहीं करो.
So coming back to it,
मुझे याद नहीं है.
हाँ, no.
You're saying something.
So basically, if you're gonna start something new, start small, right?
Yeah.
That's key.
you have
अच्छा चलो वो तो एक हो गया. So start small में what are the smaller type events that you're seeing are part of the 10% that work?
raves.
Yeah, but not everyone wants to do raves. Yeah.
No, I know, but,
But-
look, when I say rave, I think the connotation is like, oh, it's like, you know, drugs and alcohol or whatever. But at the end of the day, it's a music event, right? But it's smaller scale, and the upfront cost is not as much, right? Because you're looking at selling maybe 300 tickets to about 300 tickets at about 10 to 15,000, and that model, if you do the math, if you're not really putting too much into like cost of setup, it works.
It works.
It works.
It's not a lot of people make money out of it.
Look,
Yeah.
that's another thing. But I'm saying,
Build your brand.
yeah,
This is your
right.
brand.
यार
Yeah.
raves में ना
But also,
majority
I
वैसे ही आपके दोस्त
You remember Salt Arts? You remember Salt Arts used to do
Yeah,
this?
yeah.
The Salt Art formula was amazing, by the way.
Right,
They used
so
to do
yeah, that
small
was-
scale
yeah.
musical events.
Yeah.
That was amazing. No one's doing that now.
Yeah.
And that was a really good model.
So I think, yeah,
Also
again,
pick a niche.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Yeah.
it's okay to not do everything. Although like,
Correct.
we are still
Yeah.
trying to do
Yeah.
different
Yeah.
things. But at the same time, if you're like Salt Arts, which was
Yeah.
great, and they were ahead of the times.
yeah.
उसमें कोई
100%,
नहीं
yeah.
कर रहा था इतने curated, well put together events. And I really think COVID was very उनके लिए misfortunate था. But
Yeah.
I think comedy is something I'm really interested in, and we try to do that right now. I was very proud that I came up with the word roasted, and I'm like, "Ye coffee bhi hogi, comedy bhi hogi." But I think coffee brands weren't ready for it.
Why?
I think यहाँ
I-
पे करना चाहिए.
तो वही- मेरा दिमाग ना अब छोटा नहीं सोच पाता.
Fair enough. Good.
It's
Yeah.
like I can only think in big scale because I have to put in the cost of the effort and energy I'm putting into
Yeah.
something and my time. So it's not worth it for me to do a small event. So, but I was really excited because we had, we had barista competitions. We had all of these different things lined up. But I think coffee brands were nervous maybe getting on one platform together. I don't know what it was. So we've
I think that is what,
shelved
It
it
is what it
for a
that is
bit,
what it is. Yeah.
but maybe we'll come back with it. Who knows?
Yeah, no,
But yeah, comedy over here. So the crowd that comes, it sells out. Okay, comedy does well in that sense. The shows always sell out, but there's still small shows.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
small.
100 to 250, 300.
They don't
that's
sell that
the
much.
max,
Yeah.
yeah. So usse and they have multiple shows and that's fine. But the model, so the tickets are relatively cheap
Yeah.
for comedy tickets.
Under
So
what was our-
maximum.
and
Okay,
not-
maybe even 1000 type. Okay. And so the revenue isn't that great. Okay. The reason why it works really well is because the comedians themselves are doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you as an individual go and say, hey, I'm going to go and hire this comedian and pay their bill and then set it up, you probably won't make it.
yeah,
Yeah.
That's
true.
You need to actually expand and
But do you
scale
think,
it and
Like
then
the international
know,
artists who are going to tours and
oh,
everywhere.
let's see.
If you call them over here, do you think it'll
Oh,
sell?
chalega.
Chale.
I think
Yeah.
chalega.
Cool chalega.
Acha chalega.
Yeah.
Like I know, Abhi,
But venue,
I went to Zakir Khan's show in Dubai.
Oh, did you?
That was amazing.
Yeah.
He's
Like,
awesome.
he's amazing.
I wish there was an infrastructure to do this
Yeah.
over here.
Literally hike and take 4 to 3 hours. The guy just kept a whole crowd.
Wow.
वो पूरा arena था,
Yeah.
उसका capacity क्या है? 17,000 है, 18,000
21,000 है अगर
हाँ।
पूरा बुक करो तो।
पूरा भरा हुआ था.
People like Mo and all these Arab comedians, they can come here.
Yeah,
we don't
even
have
Egyptian is
the
amazing. Mac.
infrastructure.
Yeah.
What venue do you have which is like an arena or where seating?
Sorry?
आप auditorium
नहीं, but
ले
for a
ले,
comedy show, I
1000
think
लोग होंगे,
10,000
ज़्यादा से
people,
ज़्यादा.
20,000 people, because we have a capacity of like at least 15,000 people in DHF rate only, where we're working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
DHF
yeah,
work, yeah.
but that's a different scene.
Yeah, but then you have to put a lot of money in building that
Yeah.
place, which is obviously not.
Arts Council, I feel, is a good kind of
But
starting
how many
point.
people?
I think Islamabad.
Right.
You have an arena in Islamabad for 1,000 people at least. The
वही ना
Park
1000
Conference
उसके
Center.
आगे आप
Yeah, you don't make
that's
that
the whole
much.
thing.
Have
So
multiple
if
nights.
you're still doing
Huge
this,
nights करे, and then you say put 3 big international comedians in, you charge a big one. You charge like 30,000.
But then they charge you for 3 shows, na?
yeah, exactly.
They don't charge you
No,
for.
they don't charge you for that.
Yeah.
Then flights, accommodation, ठीक है.
Yeah. Until
That's the whole
you
thing,
have
na.
quantity,
Yeah.
there's no
It
point.
doesn't make sense, right?
Yeah.
So what's up,
So it becomes tough.
Yeah, but I also feel like these conferences are happening. For example, Disrupt, they're amazing. They're doing amazingly well. People should also focus on these side of event management.
I
Society.
don't know how
where
the
there's a-
turnout though was for them. I was there yesterday. It was great. I had a great time, but in terms of recovering cost, even for that, even though the ticket price are so maybe usse thoda sa balance.
But they
It's
mostly are
expensive.
sponsors.
Sponsored.
Yeah.
At the end of the
They are
day,
sponsored.
Yeah.
no matter what the event is, yeah, except for raves, sponsors. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And sponsors is with the biggest source of revenue.
Look, I think
Or-
again,
Big thing.
yeah, it's a big part of doing any event. and I
Like we were
think-
talking,
Mhm.
when you start off, you need to have
Yeah, I
the
think
money.
you need to, and you can't discount that. And I think you have to understand that that is the biggest kind of thing. Let's say, even if I want to, we tried doing, let's say, Beautyverse. It was a new idea. We were like, okay, man, we're doing Bazaar. That's just something that's already there. Let's try something new. So we did it. Now, in order to do that, I have to secure the sponsor first. And that was a struggle because it's like, what is Beautyverse? And we're like, it's a new IP, which means new Instagram account, nothing to do with Bazaar. So it was a struggle, and to do it, you have to take that leap of faith. And I think we are the only players in this case when you want to do a larger scale thing that can pull it off because they trust us because we've done something else. Then let's say we wanted to do Uncut, which was like live conversations
Yeah.
between actors. Yeah. So like that was, and that was smaller scale. So Arts Council, 400 tickets. But then the price ticket had to be higher. Now to get a
Is it done
sponsor,
well?
we didn't, the rains happened, so we postponed.
But that was doing well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a nice
So
idea.
again, it's like, but all of those things, like you have to have some sort of like, backing. Okay, bhai, someone will, at least cover my initial cost.
Yeah.
And I think if you don't have that, you're kind of in a space. As a small player, you're taking a risk.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is with their backing, right?
Yeah.
With Machine
Yeah.
behind it.
Yeah.
Someone new coming in and trying to do it is very
But if you know the right people in the market, I think you get sponsors easily. But
Because-
then they don't trust people like, actual people who want to do good
Because
quality
the thing is
events.
that एक बार तो कर लेंगे, आपको स्पॉन्सर भी मिल गए, आपने कर लिया जो भी है, बट एक तो the thing that is a pain point for me is that I don't think people are thinking authentically.
Yeah.
They're
Yeah.
not thinking themselves, right? They're just kind of chapoing a concept.
Outsourcing. Yeah, I was like, there's someone
So-
else saying.
There's only so much you can do because the outcome is not always what you think it would be. And उसकी वजह से you do end up एक event कर लिया आपने कहीं से break even भी कर दिया, but then are people coming to the next one because you're not building that trust with the community.
Correct.
So you don't know if it's something you can sustain on a long-term basis. And honestly, unpopular opinion or all, I think markets have seen their day. They are running dry now. मैं पिछले साल से कह रही हूँ, and I also have to have these conversations with the vendors because I understand on a vendor side, you need exposure and you need to be everywhere for people to see you.
Yeah.
So you go everywhere. Then they get disappointed because they invest their money. वो वापस recover नहीं होता. फिर they are like, अच्छा ये try कर लिया, अब ये try करते हैं. They're also hopping around. And I have to constantly talk to them, be like, be selective in where you are because people are perceiving your brand a certain way.
So, yeah.
So it's not so easy as it seems. It requires a lot more work.
This episode is brought to you by Kiss Bazaar. So we finally have a sponsor. Kiss Bazaar is one of the leading BNPLs in Pakistan. They help you buy anything that you need on easy installments. Whether you are personally looking to upgrade your phone, laptop, home appliances, get solar, or you are a small business or a startup that's looking to get financing for your bikes, laptops, phones for your employees, or whatever it is that you need for your business, Kiss Bazaar can help you get that with easy financing to ease cash flows for your business as well. But so if you are a small brand, or say a small, vendor, what kind of events can you utilize to build your brand? So say एक तो हो गया, I go and place my stall or whatever at say Commons Bazaar, Fashion Bazaar, वगैरह. उसके अलावा, have you seen some good brands who just utilized an event really, really effectively?
Yeah, I think
Like a small brand? or something like that?
100%. I think that is the example. Like, I think what I'm seeing a lot more is smaller brands. They leverage, like, they'll pair up with another brand, be on collab, or they'll pair up with another brand and then maybe an artist like a DJ or something like that. And then they'll have an event at a coffee shop. Right.
Yeah.
So now, like, you have multiple things happening, and the cost of the event suddenly goes down because multiple people are taking part in it. So in that case, you kind of are okay to do it.
It's like an
And
activation.
it's an activation, and everyone is benefiting something.
And I think it's getting more creative now.
Yeah.
Right.
People have
exactly.
started putting more thought to it, more designs are coming
Even
in.
at our pop-ups now, people are sometimes they put in so much in
Yeah,
the fabrication, and now we have a bigger category. So we have a 20 by 20 space, which is for premium brands. And the kind of setup, like this time, abhi jo hamara 2 hafte pehle hua hai, there was a brand that literally made a store.
Yeah.
The puri diwarein, arches. I mean, it looked fancier than our event. I was like, what is this?
That's good.
Yeah, so I think brands are really coming into their own and realizing that there's multiple ways that they can utilize these platforms. And they don't necessarily always expect sales. क्योंकि अगर आप एक event में आते
100%,
10-12 लाख लगा चुके हैं, but then they're doing it for the marketing or the exposure. It's a perfect focus group for them because they're meeting their customer face to face. I also often tell vendors कि आप जब कोई launch करता है, the first thing they do is go for influencers.
Yeah.
And they're like, बस हम influencer को कपड़े भेज देते हैं, ये कर लेते हैं. And these influencers charge a lot of money. And then they come to...
There's a whole list of influencers. I need to sit down and
They just give you like a
PR.
so
A PR plan.
Anywhere between 0.5 to.
Yeah. No, but now I don't think so. I don't think so now. You get only 2, 1.
But like I'm saying,
B
like, the
category.
grade is 0.5 up.
Yeah,
I mean, वैसे the influencer, you give them a gift and they'll.
But there
वो भी होता है,
for
right?
events,
वो भी होता है.
for this industry, I think it's really easier. It's more easier to get influencers because you give them tickets, you give them PR packages, and they come.
But
And
I
they,
think in
more than
terms
happy
of the
to.
vendor who comes to our markets, क्योंकि आप कहते हैं, how can small businesses leverage this? If you build a clothing brand and you say कि मैं ये 5 influencers को अपनी hoodie या sweatshirt भेजें, they're charging them. Sometimes it's free, but then it's the tier of the influencer, right? The bigger ones will charge a fee. Very often that fee is a lot more than the stall cost. But they'll come to us and be like, "ये तो बहुत महंगा है, आप please you know, they'll want to negotiate with you." And I always have to tell them कि देखें, you're paying the stall cost, but in return, you're getting face-to-face interaction with your customer. You're getting instant sales. You're getting people who are giving you feedback on your product. You don't get any of that with influencer marketing. You don't even know what the metrics are कि कौन कितने लोग खरीद रहे हैं आपका
You get
product.
to speak to your customer and you get to see
Exactly.
Yeah,
real
100%.
You get
packaging.
data at the end of the day कि कौन सा product सबसे ज़्यादा हुआ, क्या हुआ. So everyone has to just think a little deeper. It's just
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I think in that case, you know, I think the key learning when it comes to the market model, you know, at some point, why we at least Smashing started thinking about performances in a different way was because we realized that the vendors need people.
Yeah.
They only care that people are there, right?
Yeah.
Whether the sales are even happening, they'll still care more कि अच्छा 20,000 लोग आए, ठीक है. At least an X amount of people saw my brand.
Yeah.
So in that case, when we started thinking about it, it was like, okay, we need to get Hassan, we need to get Mango, we need to get people here. That is the main goal. The sponsor cares about how many people showed up. The vendor cares how many. Which is why, like, it for us, it became like we can't not have a performance unless it's Chandrat for us in Lahore, in Karachi, but you don't need one. But otherwise, for us, we knew that this is the only way. And for them, then when you think about it, where it's like, for us, it's like 1,000 rupees and you're getting Hassan and you're getting food and you're getting a marketplace and activations. I think that's unbelievable, right?
No, that's so no, fair enough. That makes
Yeah.
sense because now अगर कोई
The
पैसे खर्च
value,
कर रहा है,
yeah,
5,000
but the
value
the
proposition.
value proposition is so crazy if you think about it, right? Which is
Also
why
very
we're
good.
हाँ वही मतलब if you go to a Hassan concert, it's
It'll
3,000-4,000
cost
And
rupees.
because of this, all these
Right?
brands are happy at the
Yeah.
end of the day. They're either sold out or they're happy with people coming in, talking to them and going by. And they just need to pick the right events to go to. They can't just go
Yeah.
everywhere, you know, then obviously they blame everyone.
क्योंकि
Yeah.
novelty where of it आती है. अच्छा, my formula is different. I don't do this, and maybe I should. Everyone keeps telling me I have to, but because my focus has always been the market and the small businesses and sales, and so I just always felt कि मुझे distract नहीं करना उससे. I want
Yeah.
just this is the star of the whole thing. But obviously the market is shifting, and so we also have to kind of realign and see what's happening. And maybe this formula is better. I don't know. We'll see.
I mean, I
But-
think it's purely based on वही कि मतलब अब how you can never tell who's going to buy, who's not.
Yeah.
But I
Yeah.
think just purely by math of like if 5,000 people show up, how many will buy? And then 20,000 people show up, how many will buy? You just feel like I'd rather.
Either way, you justify the ROI.
Yeah, you just want to.
And even sponsors want to see the numbers.
They want to see the numbers. They want to
the
see.
numbers.
Bhai,
That's all they
you know, and that's another thing, right? Like, the sponsor situation is purely based on a small event. Let's say I'm doing 300 people. What sponsor will even talk
Yeah.
to me? Be like,
Yeah.
300 people, okay, buddy, bye.
Depends
See
on
you.
how-
You know what I mean?
how-
They
when-
want a
how well
footfall.
that curated, how
Yeah.
curate, like how you curate.
Sure.
अगर
Even then-
300 कौन है? अगर 300 CEOs आ रहे हैं.
ठीक है, yeah,
And you're like,
sure.
okay, कोई
Yeah.
महंगी चीज मैं इनको बेचा है. HBL Prestige.
Yeah, exactly,
Yeah, but,
exactly.
but you know that is that the gap of doing that is not there right now. मतलब Not everyone can do that. Have CEOs, 300 CEOs come in. The more
I mean,
people.
you can 100%. That's another product altogether. And let's say someone like you or someone who's heavily into that space, then for them to curate it, which is, I guess, coming back to if you want to get into this space, you need to be in it somehow,
Yeah.
right? Like for us, it was like we were Mashing was already in it somehow, right? We're already working with small businesses. We're already doing all this legwork, and then it was like, okay, let's take it live. After 5 years, for her, it was a different thing, but it came from you know.
Mine was actually
Yeah.
shopping a lot from all the
Right? So like,
सब कोई really-
Yeah.
But I have a question.
Yeah.
People used to tell me शुरू में कि देखिए मैशन पे तो माहिरा खान आती हैं.
Oh wow.
माहिरा तो बन सकती
Till date, everyone. मायरा कब आ रही है? मतलब नहीं आ रही. नहीं, कल तो आएंगी ना. मतलब नहीं आ रही. आप इनसे मिल लें.
this is
Yeah.
this is just for Maria. When is the last time she came to
Beauty was that's it. I think not
Yeah,
the last
it's
mashing.
like because she's obviously now it happens so much. It's like that thing has gone away. Just like mashing in a way.
We also have to preserve her brand.
Yeah, like it's kind of after a while, then it's a standalone thing, and
I think it was the first, second one. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
That's
that's
it.
it.
Now she only comes if the brand calls her, and
Yeah.
that's about it.
But you guys also started a website where you were planning to, right? Mash and
So yeah,
Bazaar or
initially, yeah. So when we were doing this, obviously, we also thought that okay, there are all these small businesses. We should be maybe even looking at giving them an e-com platform, right?
Yeah.
And that was an idea, but honestly, I think like all the other e-commerce businesses,
Like a
over
mall,
here,
online mall.
it was like no.
No, I've thought about that too. But
Yeah.
it's just there's so much again, so very oversaturated space. So I don't want to just have a multi-brand store online.
नहीं, I
Yeah,
completely get it.
So
अच्छा, so in terms of marketing and event, चलो वो तो हो गया, right?
Yeah.
Pricing की भी हमने थोड़ी बात कर ली, but so pricing and marketing में मैं आ जाऊँ. What are the best avenues to get the word out?
I mean, for
Like, what's the
us,
most effective?
for
Like,
us, I think for us, what it's been is PR.
Yeah.
It's always been like the first step is coming up with an
package.
idea for a PR concept and then sending it out to an X amount of people. We send it to about 100 people.
100 really?
PR works the best.
Yeah.
PR works the
I
best.
sent it
Yeah.
out to
So
like
it's like
20,
PR
30.
box.
So yeah, we make and yes,
अच्छा उसके भी बड़ा like I thought I was very strategic about it because when I started, I didn't send it out to people who have 1 million followers or like
yeah,
you know, I was always like, who is my audience and who follows these people?
Yeah.
अब उनके पास 10,000, 20,000 followers भी हो सकते हैं, but it was very well thought out and it was mostly slightly older moms, people like that, because that was our target market. Because I always wanted to focus on people who have spending power who will come and buy products. Because our curation was also at that time much tighter
Yeah.
and more expensive.
Yeah.
So you have to be strategic in how you're marketing. Also, a lot of people just send it to anyone and
Yeah.
everyone.
I think three
Something
things are very important. OH, social media, obviously, you need to be present on social media, and PR.
And-
OH is very important nowadays because hoardings, if you see like 100 hoardings on Shara Faisal with, even DKP did it right now, and their marketing was very successful, and everyone in Karachi knew about it
Yeah.
because of those hoardings. And then obviously PR is very important.
on the PR side, influencer side, and all that, I think something very underrated is the fact that you have 100, 200 vendors at your event. Use them.
Yeah.
Get them to post
Right.
post about this event that they are going to be present at.
Yeah.
आप वो भी इस्तेमाल
Well,
करो.
those are
That
the people-
gives you an
Just
that's
like
a big
these
push.
guys, right? But उसके अलावा if I'm doing like a concert, etc., then it's just the artists.
No, I mean, look, so
Yeah,
that
so
was
the-
number one for me. Sorry.
No.
But that was number one for me. But the second biggest one is ads. These days know like we run ads like before the event, we're like running ads like crazy. Because
And it's
what,
like social media marketing.
yeah, Meta, mostly
So-
it's Instagram. And like we do it because we have seen, I think, and Ticketwala is, I think they know
Yeah.
that they never see so many online sales when any event happens other than for us.
Yeah.
Because my focus is always like, I want the sale of tickets to happen before the event.
Yeah.
And we push it. We say that, hey, skip the line or it's cheaper, let's say, whatever it is. And it works because at the end of the day, you have to, Instagram, the way it works now, ek bande ne story bhi laga li, it's gone.
Yeah.
By the time the event's happening, the person maybe not even remembers ki event ho raha hai. So you have to push that message, and unfortunately, you have to spend.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
I think the most important thing is choosing the right ticketing partner.
Yeah.
Right. Everything
Once you've done that,
Yeah.
you're good, right? So,
These guys, I would love.
so
We है ही नहीं और कौन है?
I mean, look, I think
आने
that-
वाले
yeah.
होंगे आपसे.
Yeah.
I think that's
But
But the data they have right now. is
we
very
leverage
useful.
that.
The
We
important point of general event, I think, is the partners you pick, right? Like Hussain has been our partner since the first event, first bazaar till now. We do not work with anyone else because I trust this guy when it comes to security, which is such a big thing for an event with
Yeah.
so many people. Okay, people are coming, women are coming. Nothing weird can happen because once those things start happening, you've instantly lost
Yeah.
trust, right? And with Ticketwala, like we trust them to do that job really well, to run the gate, right? So like I think those, if you want to do an event, you have to get the right partners in all of those different spheres. Like we know how to do our job, which is let's say market it, the event, curate them and design. So that's us. But the rest, I don't know how to do. So I'm not going to try to do
Yeah,
it. You know what I mean? I
You
don't.
can't be at the gate.
Yeah,
and
I
at
can't
the
be.
center.
Yeah. So
No, he's
like,
always at the gate.
I'm still at the
Yeah,
gate,
he's
but,
always at the
but
gate.
at least I
So that's
trust that.
that's
person.
how much he loves making money.
Making money.
No, but yeah, that's true. Actually, on the gate, he's always concerned about what kind of people are coming in. Oh, like this, like a gang of guys coming. Go check
Gang of guys.
yeah, who these people are and how does it get
Actually, do you
in.
guys have a nose tags?
Yeah.
We don't
Strict,
have a nose
very strict.
Oh, really?
Never had it.
Really?
These guys are. The thing is, what I really like.
No, I think the thing is कि आपका it is more Gen Z. It is younger people.
Yeah.
For us, it's families, it's parents, it's
Mm,
people with young
maybe.
children
Fair enough.
and dogs. We
Yeah.
have a lot of
Yeah.
dogs at our event.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I think that is, but I think this.
But then
For
we
us, it's
also have,
also-
you guys obviously also have, we have this now PDP coming in,
yeah.
who are there for the wheelchairs and support of people for families and all this. And all this is also very important for a good event to be, curated and executed.
Achha, so that, we've already segued into it, but this is, I think, the most important part of it, right? How do you create that premium experience? Because people want to, like, in a minute, 5,000 तक first करनी है, and if I have family of 4, then these first.
Yeah.
अब मुझे अगले 4 घंटे मुझे 3 की तरह. Right? Because it's a lot of money.
Yeah.
And people expect, so what do you guys do generally has and what did you learn in that? Most of people expect we say, so it's very important. And then not get bought. It's important.
Yeah.
What do you mean by not get bought? The line about the basically, if example, someone has bought a ticket for a more price, so they can get paid or something. They expect to be not part of the regular line.
They expect to be treated with,
Yeah.
a better infrastructure, a way to get in and be treated in a better way inside and all.
Sometimes it's the
Yeah.
smallest things that you don't think about, but people take away with them. Like, अभी जब हमारा last Chandrat हुआ था, I couldn't travel from the US for it because of the travel ban and all of this. So my team basically handled it last minute. I'd canceled my flight 3 days before the event. But as I was getting updates online, people were sending me pictures and they're like, look at the amount of people. And I'm just like, I hope everything was okay. Post event, of someone I know messaged me and said, hey, I was in the line and I had my baby and her baby was like a couple of months old. And somebody from your team came and said, hey, ma'am, you don't have to stand in line. Come, I'll take you forward because I had a baby with me. And she said, that was so sweet. It was so nice.
I mean, this is why I'm at the gate. Because no one has, yeah.
No,
I
I remember this one
Patient.
incident.
He would also
I don't know if I should tell it now. I remember this one incident where Kisan came to me. Kisan like, what happened? I was like, no. So in between the lines, someone's dog pooped. And then we had to manage that in a way where it didn't affect the
There's
event.
so much stuff, and I
So you
think
know,
that getting into the event experience has to be
Seamless.
Seamless,
our dog pooped in Moin Khan also this time. And I just think, like, I hope people are listening. Please, if you do bring your dogs,
Get
Yeah.
the bag,
yeah, because then we have to clean it.
and then the venues might get upset. So you have to constantly make sure that आपके सारे stakeholders खुश हैं आपसे.
Yeah.
And that is how you build a premium experience by just thinking of the tiny details. I think it's
I think it is a lot of the tiny details.
Yeah.
Like whether it's whoever you're catering to, you have to, again, it's a value proposition, right?
Yeah.
How do I convince the person to come here for even a few hours and not feel that they've been gypped? And you see, I think the problem with, like, there's so many competitors now and there's so many people in the market, they feel like it's very simple. I will go and book XYZ artist and I will get 5-10 stalls and I'll put it on social media and there'll be people saying, oh, this is going to be the best thing. And when they come there, none of those things are really done well or right, and no thought has been put into it. And that's it.
I myself
Yeah.
experienced this.
Yeah.
They go like, oh, we have to save money. Let's not do this much amount of bouncers. 50 नहीं करते 30 कर लेते हैं काम हो जाएगा. And then we have to tell them कि नहीं हो सकता इसके अंदर. You have to obviously make sure that the amount of people जिसकी जो requirement है वो पूरी हो at least. But then they try to save money on barriers, on things, security, banding, or
On
bouncers.
the things that matter the
things that
most.
matter the most, exactly.
Yeah.
And then this turns out to be disaster for everyone.
But even greed also comes into it, right? So if you have standard and you have VIP, now VIP should be limited in capacity.
Yeah.
What happens sometimes, it really happens where VIP sells more than standard. You should be limiting it so that you can offer an experience that's different to standard. Someone's coming, they're paying double the price, they expect something better, right? But if the VIP is getting a worse experience than standard, what's the point, right?
Exactly. Has that happened?
ये भी होता है,
Lot.
बहुत होता है. Yeah,
People try just don't stop. They just try to make money
So
out
what
of
is
it.
what are some of the biggest failure points? कि अगर यार ये basics चीज नहीं हुई ना, so ये went flop.
I think, I mean, for us, it's always, for me, whenever there's like, oh, this was the failure, is any sort of security issue,
Yeah.
any sort of gate issue, if there's been any sort of like,
Harassment.
anyone's harassment, those things for me, or actually in the beginning of the event, when we started it, I used to run after Hussain and be like, look at this trash, look
Yeah,
at
the
that trash.
dustbin and trash. Please.
Because, the whole idea is that people should be sitting on the grass and like, it's like a big, picnic or whatever, right?
Yeah.
This
And that trash is such a big,
It's an
like, size.
eyesore.
So,
That's something I
And for
learned from
us,
him.
it's been low.
yes, yeah.
mm,
Venturing out of defense is for us proven disastrous.
but it needs to happen
to say.
also, because if we look at
Yeah.
Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, this is where most of the events are happening. And if you look at Karachi, it's all happening in defense and it's
Exactly.
happening in South
Okay.
Africa,
मैंने
whatever.
काफी
बस
बार
यही है.
suggest
But
किया.
there's so much more to it,
Exactly.
right? And it needs to open up.
There is, but yeah.
Yes, you need to create a
Yes.
different type of event and
What would that
start doing
I
it.
think first of all, no stags policy doesn't work there.
Yeah.
You need to allow stags
Yeah.
at your event.
allow stacks?
As in like
As in
no,
allow
single men.
allow single men.
Okay, maybe I shouldn't be saying this publicly. We don't have a no stacks room. We don't have bouncers. I hate bouncers. I never have bouncers at any firm. But then we don't do big concerts, so we don't need
Yeah.
bouncers.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah.
So it's
The day you get an artist to come
yeah.
and you don't have bouncers,
So
events finished.
it's very different.
Human nature.
So I'll tell a story. It's very different than how a pop-up event is and how. So we did Arthurton recently, and we had like this gate labs, where obviously Diana had a discussion about it, and we can do something about it in the future. But then, first of all, we don't have the infrastructure. We don't have multiple gate accesses. We don't have the management or help from the management of DHA or any other organization that is part of that. कि हमें road blockage मिले, हमें बाहर proper वो सारा structure मिले. But so with pop-ups, it's like, if the person comes in with their family, they don't care if they even stand in line for 30 minutes, they get in easily and they win the show. With the concert, if they're there at 8 and if an artist is going on stage at 8:30, they need to get in 15 minutes. So audience of 10,000, 20,000 people are coming in and they just want to wait for only 10 to 15 minutes to get in. And that's where it obviously becomes a disaster or a hassle for us also to manage that. And that is something I think, which is why
That's it.
a huge number of, management staff or bouncers or these kind of people
Yeah.
are needed with barriers and long lines, queues. Otherwise, it doesn't work out for us.
Yeah.
Do you
And
feel if you had some kind of experience and like you get people to come 2 hours before and they have things to do, which is not a pop-up, but something that would encourage people to come earlier, because I feel यहाँ पे सब एक time पर आते हैं and then they all want to be inside at the same
Good,
time.
that's
Yeah.
what it is.
Absolutely.
That is what it is,
Absolutely.
yeah.
We
But
did try.
also, like, look at Karachi, right? It opens early, it ends late, but still everyone comes in those
At the
same
same
3
time,
hours.
yeah.
because they
you
have a
know?
musical thing going on,
Yeah,
right?
but because of the
that's what-
concert, take it because of the weather,
Yeah.
right? There's a lot of different factors. But there's a reason why we also always use Hussain, right? So when we're doing the ticketing is vital for the event, okay?
Yeah.
If you mess that up, everything is gone, right? So, yeah, but the reason I'm saying it is because if someone's coming in and that experience is really bad,
Yeah.
then a shit mood
Yeah.
when they're going in, and that's going to stay.
Which is why
The
I'm
whole
saying, like,
experience is
it's
gone.
so much better if I've sold like half of the tickets online,
Yeah.
because then they're just showing the ticket and coming in.
Scanning and going.
Now, if I have 12,000 people standing and trying to buy the ticket, and
Yeah.
then you
But-
buy it.
and there's one more thing. There's one more thing. For example, if 20,000 people are coming, at least 10,000 more people will come in without the tickets or fake tickets.
Fake tickets. वो
We
लेते
had-
हैं.
Fake tickets. Oh my
But just on first time, we had Moin Khan में at least 35,000 people came at the gate. and
15,000 तो fake होगा.
हाँ
10,000
15,000 तो फेक थी यहाँ उन्होंने उसी टिकट के ऊपर कोई टेप लगाई हुई होगी VIP लिखा हुआ होगा and all that, and when they get in
तुम्हें
the
पता है
line,
मैं कौन हूँ.
and when they get in the line के जब टिकट के स्कैन होते हैं तो बंदा बोलता है तो VIP है ही
अच्छा,
नहीं.
but there's
And
so
they
many.
make faces and they go like नहीं मैं तो उधर से ही जाऊंगा. Now you have a huge line behind you, so you can't do anything about it. You just have to pull them up और वहाँ से exit करना. So people also don't understand that they need to behave at
Yeah.
these
as a
events.
society,
Yeah. I think that's a very key
guidelines
point.
on how
I think that
behave
is a,
in
yeah.
public.
I think our biggest problem is कि हमारे पास वो वाली public spaces नहीं है जहाँ पे सब mix होते हैं.
Mm.
Dogs, maybe
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we don't like walk on the street where it's
Yeah.
like dog etiquette se leke, how do you
Yeah.
meet, how
Oh,
what's
yeah.
a social
Well,
Dogs
look,
are
dog has more etiquette.
I have seen people.
Please do not talk to our dogs like
dog,
that.
dog,
Yeah,
picking
I've
up dog.
seen
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, God, you won't be
Yeah.
able to get away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're fine.
I have seen people pushing old people at the events.
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
आप तो हटो मतलब क्यों भाई? They also have a right to get in.
Man,
People get really self-absorbed when they're outside and they want to be catered to
Yeah.
immediately
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
best way possible.
So there's a few things, right? And so what I was saying before was that a lot of event managers, we'll tell them, okay, this is how we want it. We need this many barriers, this many tables, this many counters, people, whatever. And they just won't do it because they want to save money. And there'll be an open field and they'll put one desk and they'll say, "हाँ बैठे, crowd and no barriers, no line, nothing." And they'll say, भाई ये मसला क्यों हो रहा है यहाँ पे? मतलब ये आपने खराब, भाई आपने कुछ दिया ही नहीं हमें,
Yeah.
right? And then you have the people that you have the entitlement, of course. Okay, that
Yeah.
happens a lot. And then you have the fake tickets issue, which is a big issue. And part of that is, so you have the scammers themselves, the people that are trying to get in with fake tickets. And you also have people who think they have real tickets that have fake tickets.
Yeah.
So we currently have at least 15, 20 scammers using Ticketwala's name, right? So if you go on Instagram right now, there's literally a page with 40,000 followers. That's a Ticketwala copy. That's a
Oh
scam.
yeah.
I've submitted everything, to the NCCI and whatever, but it's a big issue right now. So what happens is, and they're running ads also. 40,000
Making
followers.
money. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Photoshop karke. And so we stop those people, don't let them in, right? Oh, the people that are buying those tickets, they think they have real tickets.
Yeah.
हाँ, so बेचारे.
Right?
They think
so
they have the right to
come
get in
and so
either
they're
way.
like, हम तो जाएंगे.
Yeah, so
हमने fake खरीदा वो
What?
हो गया, but आपको जाने देते
And
हैं
then
हमें.
they
मतलब हम
don't,
कैसे
they don't
जाने दें?
leave. They will talk to you for 30
Exactly.
minutes. Remember, like 30 minutes or an hour
So-
at least.
Yeah,
They
so
take it.
they're gonna block the lines and they're gonna ruin for everyone else as
I
well,
think
right?
maybe, yeah, at least you should.
You should make an aisle that says fake tickets only.
But so, what skill sets would you say are crucial for someone who wants to get into this business?
Operations
Operations.
Himmat.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And patience.
and patience.
Patience for
Yeah,
sure.
for sure.
100%.
You can't let your
100%,
mind.
Yeah. Like, I think that's very important. And like operations, 100%, like you have to know the full chain, like to be just let's say, and if you don't know the full chain, then get the right partner. You know what I mean? Which is what, let's say, as I've done, right? It's not, I don't like, I trust Hussein to do all the event stuff, whether it's security, whether it's toilets, whether it's this, to be like, okay, this is happening, and I come to him, right? And to Ticketwala for the gate. If you don't know it, then get the right partner. And if you want to do it all yourself, then you better know every part of it. Because if you don't, you are
And you should
going
get
to-
ready to just run around the
Yeah.
entire day.
you're going-
I think we walk at least
yeah.
20 to 18 kilometers a day on the day of the event. I'm sure with you also.
So,
So, yeah.
again, ours is so less structured because it started when it started, it was just me and my husband. The first one was just me trying to like show him, and he was like, "Acha pata nahi kya kar rahi hai," but he was there because he's my husband, so he has to. And then he saw the potential, so it was just the two of us, literally. And we, till Andalusian, we managed just the two of us.
Yeah.
And then I think the last Andalusian that we were there and we had a lot of people, and that was when he was in America and I was here. That's when I freaked out. I'm like, oh, I think we need more help because these are too many people and I was actually scared कि कुछ हो ना
Oh,
जाए.
yeah.
Now we have teams and it works great, but because we have done that from the bottom, I know every single aspect. It's very hard for me. It's my problem. I can't let go. But also it's hard for anyone to just come and make a बेवकूफ out of me because I know exactly how it's done. So I think या तो आप वैसे ही करें एक मॉडल हो कि आपको अगर खुद सीखे, do things yourself, go through the grind, learn on the job, then you hire other people. So at least you know what they're lacking and what you need to, tell them कि ये चाहिए, ऐसे चाहिए. And I think it's really important if you are getting into this, try and build your own thing. Don't copy paste. इतना ज़्यादा, like I've had
Yeah.
people, हमारा vendor deck जैसे बनता है. I've had because vendors also are very smart. They tell you things. So they share their decks of mine that have been shared by other people to. They just copy paste the whole deck, and then once
Logo change करके
yeah, logo change.
Literally.
I confronted someone about it, and they were like, "Oh, asal ma'am, aapse itne inspired hai."
तो हमारे scammers भी inspired है ना हमारे से
I give it to the time. Imitation is the what
Best form of
best form of
flattery.
flattery. So you should-
Heart does have to be in the right place.
Yeah.
You can't have this idea of just like, I'm going to do this and I'm going to make money. And, you know, that only lasts. Like, I think the reason why we have been able to do it for now 4 or 5 years is because every year there is a lot of thought put
Yeah.
into what we're doing, how we're doing it, and to make that whole experience worth it, right? If the people who are doing it right now, I think this year, 2025, there might have been at least 10 or 15 new entrants
Mm.
into the bazaar market, right? I don't think I'll see them next year. You know,
Most of them.
Most of them
most of
will
them
make
will
losses
fizzle
or-
out because again, they
But then,
Then
but
it's all
then they don't
yeah.
come up with new ideas, for example. They
Yeah.
will only copy what's happening.
Yeah,
For
exactly.
example, right now there's a huge market of sporting events,
Mm.
right? You can bring in I've done MMA events over here. We've done cricket events over here. We've done football
That's
events.
actually
That-
a
what
good,
about
good
that?
thing to talk about.
they're
Yeah.
making a lot of money. They get sponsors easily. There's a lot of sponsors who are waiting for people to do something other than music. And if you do, for example, a good MMA event, there we have good fighters over here. We have international fighters who've already come in over here. We have cages. We have proper infrastructure to do these kind of events. Plus futsal, football events, even different sports. So there's still a lot of
E-gaming,
room.
I think,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think actually, yeah, there's so many different spaces that I feel like they haven't been tapped properly.
Exactly. what I
They
mean.
have not, like e-gaming, I think
E-gaming.
is huge. Esports,
Yeah.
huge, right? Like it's so big.
People are working on esports. They're doing
yeah.
amazing work, by the way. They're doing amazing work and they're working on that. Which is amazing.
Underground बहुत बड़ी community.
Exactly.
You know,
Exactly.
But to
जो
take
बाहर
that-
आएगी
And
अचानक
to
से.
take that and to make it a thing, right? Like a proper product. No one's been able to, let's say,
But you
do
know
that,
what the
right?
issue is? For example, if I want to do an e-gaming event, the first thing that I need to think about is the cost. The first cost that I would incur is the venue. When I go to Expo Center, they have this huge cost list, which is if you want to come for 12 hours, there's this cost. If you want to come for, like 6 hours, there's this cost. If you want to work one day, because obviously if you want to do a big event, you need to do the setup for at least
Like-
4 to 5
Yeah.
days.
4 or 5
5
days.
days?
Yes,
Five
obviously.
days.
Yeah.
so-
Like for e-gaming, if you want a huge
tournaments होते हैं ना usually.
So for
That's what
Spider
I
Trust with a
saw.
round assembly with Houston, you need 4 days to make the base. If you want to do a quality event, 3 दिन में भी हो सकता है. But then
They charge by the
They
hour.
charge,
they
yeah.
the charge for that. So
So-
I don't think anyone is willing to pay that much money only for the menu, because then you also have to pay money for the players who are coming in. You don't have the budget for that anymore.
And the setup itself. gets
Yeah, the setup itself is very expensive. Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, I didn't know that.
This episode is sponsored by Kiss Bazaar. Kiss Bazaar पाकिस्तान का लीडिंग बाय नाउ पे लेटर प्लेटफॉर्म है. ये सिर्फ पर्सनल फाइनेंस या पर्सनल इक्विपमेंट के लिए नहीं है. किस बाजार, अगर आप एक छोटा स्मॉल बिजनेस रन कर रहे हैं या बड़ा बिजनेस रन कर रहे हैं, किस बाजार के पास जाके आप अपनी एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए बाइक्स, ऑफिस के लिए एसीज, लैपटॉप्स, फोन्स, कोई भी चीज़ ईजिली फाइनेंस कर सकते हैं ताकि आपके पास बिजनेस में कैश फ्लोज बेहतर है.
So, like you guys mentioned, कि वो you see a lot of events that will just not happen next year. What?
But a lot of new ones will happen.
Yeah,
But what makes an event a repeatable event, right? What gives you that power to be able to be like, यार ये हमारा annual event.
When you don't make a big loss.
I think the feedback.
Like, people coming to sell tickets, people have a good time. They ask you, up next wala kab hai?
Yeah.
I think those are all markers.
Even vendors tell you they had a good time, they want to
Yeah.
come back, they want to do it again, and that's what pushes you.
But unfortunately, a lot of people also will make a big loss and then they'll keep digging themselves into a
Yeah,
bigger
bigger.
hole, right? So they're like, this one
They-
loss, so chalo next वाले में हाँ recover करना है. And then they'll copy someone else कि अच्छा ये नहीं चला, हम ये वाला copy करके ये करते हैं.
Yeah, because they made a loss. Yeah.
I
yeah.
And you guys get paid at the end or like upfront.
With people I've worked with, I do obviously let them pay me, whatever the best way possible for them. But with people
Yeah,
who
don't ruin this for me.
No, but with people we're working for the first time, definitely there's 100% payment because they know, they've seen us work, they know that what quality do we bring to the table, and then we obviously charge them 100% before.
और अगर say for some reason event gets cancelled because
Mhm.
say it's Pakistan.
If we can pay them back, we'll pay them back. Otherwise, we'll oblige them, or we'll use the
Next
fund for
one,
that.
It's never happened with us, but I think that that one small thing we were doing, the Arts Council thing,
Mm.
that got
Uncut
postponed.
I think.
Yeah.
And we just said that
So
again.
we hold the money.
Yeah, they
We
hold the
don't
money,
pay
right?
anyone before the
Yeah.
event.
So
Doesn't matter who. We don't pay them before.
amazing policy.
Yeah.
That's an amazing
ठीक है,
policy.
मतलब we've been working for how many years since day one. I never paid them before the event.
yeah.
So like event हो जाए सबको
उसके बाद,
उसके बाद,
उसके बाद. Because
Yeah.
yeah, because let's
And
say
they've done
Uncut
that.
happened,
And they've
right?
done that.
So
because you've
events,
made it
so many
real.
events get cancelled. We have to then refund customers.
Yeah.
If I've paid, I trust these guys.
And
But there's a lot of people I don't trust. Okay, that will run away with the money because they will
But it's
come.
also
They don't want to recover their.
That's an easy thing for me. Yeah.
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 Exactly.
And then he comes.
Like because just imagine me having to then do 300 even refunds or whatever.
Yeah.
It's just I'm just like, hey, go to Ticketwala and they handle it.
It's horrible
Yeah.
for us also. Can you imagine if one of like the
Yeah.
large events of yours got cancelled? I'd be finished.
But I
I'd
mean,
be done.
think about it. Obviously, there are moments where you think about, oh, something might happen, which is totally possible in Pakistan. कि कुछ हो गया and then suddenly you have to cancel.
Exactly.
But for a large event, I think that is like a huge offer.
Rules as in vendors के लिए we do have a policy
Yeah.
कि at a certain point
Point,
you
yeah.
are not eligible for a refund after this point.
What is that point? Typically 48 hours.
No,
I think we said 20 days.
Something like that.
Because by then you're making your
Made payments.
exactly.
Yeah.
So
But also most events that are legit are not getting cancelled. They will get postponed. Like if one of their events get cancelled, it won't get cancelled. It'll get postponed. They'll say, "Acha, not this week, next week हम कर लेंगे, या एक महीने बाद हम कर लेंगे." And so the vendors will stay on board for that. A lot of the customers, we'll tell them कि this is the new date, we'll transfer it to the new date.
The drift event, right? जो अभी इस्लामाबाद में
Yeah,
हुआ
so
था.
3 बार
तीन बार वो postpone हुआ है.
postpone हुआ है, but eventually हुआ है event.
First time I think इस्लामाबाद में था वो तो
Yeah, the
कोई
different-
रैली हो गई थी and then बारिश हो गई थी.
Islamabad
And then something else.
Event get
I
postponed.
want to say, if you want to start event stuff, please don't do it in Islamabad. Come to Karachi
Lahore
or
or
do it in
Karachi.
Lahore.
Yeah.
I would love to do this. Yes, this is too much.
And the audience is entitled.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
They'll start fighting like crazy for no reason with anyone they want to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that happens more in Sabah than anywhere else.
Mostly in Islamabad.
Most we've seen is Hyderabad.
I've experienced.
Hyderabad has been the worst. We've never had a good experience at Hyderabad at the gate.
Yeah.
हर event पे gun निकलता है.
Convince
हर
me,
event-
and I'm sure maybe Mr. Thwaj, you have to go to the tier 2 cities.
Yeah.
Like,
I
think
told
about
Fahad
it.
last week. I told Fahad also. I was like, please do it.
Yeah.
But then if you do it in Islamabad, people from Faisalabad or other place will come. If you do it in Lahore,
Man, but look,
So
Hassan,
if we're not going to Islamabad, then to go to Faisalabad.
I think Multan is a good market.
we
Multan
had
is a good
actually a
market.
vendor. This is from 2021. He was from up north, and they're a honey vendor. So they have their own farm and honey oils. And I think Peshawar में, he convinced, उसने इतनी कोशिश की आप पेशावर आए, you do a whole small city tour. And maybe in 21, 22, I would have thought about it. We did, but we were just, again, we were so small, we were growing bit by bit. But at this point, I think there's definitely scope for it. And I think if you do like a whole tour almost,
Mm.
it's an opportunity.
I mean, there's.
we're doing it. Yeah, we're doing
Yeah,
it.
Us to do it, I don't think some newbie should jump into that because there's so much.
Yeah, for sure.
Like you need to be at a certain level to be able to take that on.
No, because I mean, I actually really like Peshawar. I think it's a
Yeah.
very good city.
Yeah, it is,
It's
for
small,
sure, yeah.
From a food point of view, I think
Yeah.
it's probably the second best food in
No,
Pakistan.
no, for sure. I
But for
think
events, it's
even
scary.
when I've
And
been to
For
this-
events, it's scary, honestly. Yeah. I think the audience who's going to come in is going to be very difficult to deal
But
with.
then you have to go through like this person was, their father was in a specific position. They had a house. They knew people. It was it had to be contained. Like, you have
Contained,
to-
yeah.
it's-
But यार बहुत scope है. और Faisalabad,
No,
Gujranwala,
I think 100%
Multan, like
scope.
Gujranwala.
and it's opening. It's this year we've seen it happen with
For
Hassan's
sure.
store. Okay, Multan,
No, yeah.
Hyderabad, and
Faisalabad is
Faisalabad,
Faisalabad,
right?
yeah.
Zishan Ali,
Yeah.
and then you've had a few others. And they've killed it. Sold
Yeah.
out shows.
Yeah.
Sold out
Of course,
shows.
there's people there. I think it's open, right? And I think the more that there are events in general, more people are also becoming better at coming and showing up properly. I think that is changing.
Man, but if we have a
Yeah.
lack of infrastructure here,
Yeah.
over there you have way less venues as well, right? Like
yeah.
the Faizabad wala jo naturals, it's a great venue,
Yeah,
but
right.
I think hopefully in the next 5-10 years it will be sorted.
aista
Yeah,
aista
hopefully.
karke, when
The
we
more stadiums
started,
we have, the more places we have, big spaces we have.
But-
But for someone like you, if you were to go to a smaller city, would you take all of your trussing,
Yeah,
the set
everything
stuff
would
from
be-
New
yeah,
York?
everything would
Yeah,
be-
I go to Lahore from,
Yeah.
take everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, is that one?
80% of my stuff goes from him because why? I'll tell you, my people, my vendors, they're trusted, right?
Yeah.
And I'm not saying people in Lahore doesn't do good work with, but I think the cultural differences are there. Where I face a lot of difficulties in explaining them how I want my work to get done, how timely managed I want things to be done. They're very chill.
They're so chill.
If you tell them to do something at
nice
4,
way to put it, yes, but they are so chill.
yeah.
Like even like Karachi people are chill, but when you're in Lahore, you're like, this is
So
insane.
they start working. So vendors, I mean the labor, they start working at 12 in the afternoon, and
12
after
is
a bit early.
really nice.
and you don't get to see them after 6. Whereas in
Yeah.
Karachi, they're sleeping at the venue. Yeah, they're there throughout. So this is obviously
And
a
it's
bit
like
of a
right
hit,
now,
but
I just had an issue with a trussing. It was placed where I didn't want it to be. Those guys had left. 2 din kaam karke. They came back. They removed it all night long and they put it in the other position. But they over here, if you have a good relationship, they'll do that.
Yeah.
you need to have trusted vendors.
In
for sure.
Lahore, I don't know, but I've been working with a specific person there, and then वही बात है कि क्योंकि उनकी teams हैं, वो language barrier भी होता है. तो वो आप बात करिए कि वो आपको lift नहीं
हाँ, वही,
वो आपको सब वो उनको पता है
have
कराची
to
से.
Punjabi, you have to have that.
Yeah. So, okay, now, for some reason, most of our episodes turn into the city.
City
thing
thing,
as
yeah.
well. But in terms of the event, concept-wise, and in terms of the experience-wise, is there a difference between Karachi, Lahore?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For
Like,
sure.
what's the difference? Like, what does the audience expect there?
The
versus,
mindset of the audience is very different.
elaborate.
How do I say it in the nicest possible? Yeah. So I think over there people have a different mindset. There, more people come out for events over there than over
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. One thing-
People like to spend money over there. Since they have money they would like to spend over here, people don't like to show their money the way I think in Lahore people would want to. And I feel the audience is more,
Maybe they just have more.
yeah. I think they're more mature over here in terms of, like the basic etiquette.
For this city more here, to be honest.
Yeah.
So they're very scared of showing their money.
I mean, I was telling Sitwa that I think basic difference between Karachi and Lahore, for at least the markets and all of that I've seen is that in Karachi, we will have a big show of people, but they'll come wearing sweats and flip-flops and they'll just cruise through and nonchalant, like, and when we do Lahore, you have no idea, like, we feel like it's
Number of
maybe a
Mercedes.
wedding or something. People have their looks planned and like people are
The
so
cars, you
excited.
see the
Yeah.
best cars over there.
It's like
anywhere.
a show, it's like,
I think they're both different, but they're not bad. I wouldn't say either is
no,
better.
I think both
Yeah.
markets are like, like
I
you
mean-
want to upgrade. If you want to get in the event space, just generally because they're more mature, these markets, you want to be doing something here.
Mm.
And then slowly move your way towards, let's say, Islamabad and then, let's say, tier 2. Or all of that.
I want to see
Yeah.
that shit.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think whichever
Sure.
city you are in,
यार छक्का लगना है जिसने किया है मैं
think
बता
yeah,
रहा हूँ छक्का
100%.
लगना
Yeah, but you know what I keep telling?
I keep saying half
Yeah.
साथ करते हैं
हाँ,
you
साथ
know,
कर लेते
yeah,
हैं because-
वो risk
Yeah,
साथ
but
करते हैं ना
collabs, people hate collabs over in this market, but I love
I love
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah.
the comment started because I was like, there's so many cool people. We need to all come together. And another thing I encourage people to do, even vendors, is find someone you can build things together.
With,
Yeah,
for
sure.
So there's really no fear with that. I think people should work together more.
And I think when you said the repeatable event situation, I think the key things are, again, it comes back to value proposition to the person who's coming, right? And let's say in our case, it's also vendors and it's also sponsors.
Right.
If you are not covering all those bases, then the next time around, the sponsor won't come. Let's say, and if the sponsor doesn't come, you might still do the event, but now you're like, oh, but I can't cover this. Now, let's say if you don't do the vendor right, and you're not treating them right, then the vendor won't come. Then you've lost that. And if you don't treat your male audience right, so it's all three have to be covered properly.
But we know the right is very subjective, and that's what I wanted to understand. Like, what the expectation typically is, and obviously, I'm sure ticket price also has a huge.
I think ticket price, value proposition wise, look, at the end of the day, we're not in the US. We're not in a very mature market when it comes to events. The higher price you go in terms of ticket price, the more less and less people feel like, oh, but I'll have to spend this much to go there. Then I'll have to spend this much to eat. And that's a lot of money.
But they also come with
For me,
families.
yeah,
Yeah,
and
come alone.
for me, it's not. For you, it's not. But for, let's say, the larger, let's say middle class or upper middle class, whoever comes, yeah, like that ends up being a lot of money. So you can't really push that envelope too much.
हजार से ज़्यादा आप नहीं कर
₹1,000.
For a pop-up.
सकते। Like I think
for a
we
pop-up,
started at
100.
450,
Yeah.
and now you've built it up. And I think the difference between Dashan and us is as a woman, I really think of everything from an emotional perspective. I'm not a very operational, like my husband is, but I'm just like, feeling kya hogi? Feelings are.
That's a good framework to view an event from.
But I guess for a business perspective, what he's saying makes more sense. You have to think of the numbers. You have to think of all of those things. I'm always like, what's the experience going to be? What's the theme going to be? What everyone are they going to have fun when they come? I will spend money on that, and that's what not to.
No, I think that is what to do.
Yeah, I think with him also. I
Yeah.
think it's for example, I have a relationship with him. He's my client, and I'm the vendor in the end. I would not think about all these things, but he would, because he needs to give them a very good experience. Where, for example, if it's supposed to rain, even if it shows on the phone that it's going to rain, he's going to call me and tell me, यार पूरे stalls पे या पूरे venue में मुझे plastic लगा दो कहीं से, या मुझे बारिश proof कर दो.
And,
So I
and
go like,
that's
you know-
one end of it, right? The vendor. And but that's what I'm saying. Like all
Vendor को आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
हाँ,
Push तो आप किसी को नहीं कर सकते.
Kush, आपको
किसी को नहीं कर
if
सकते.
you think you're gonna get into this market or space and
Make
you
people
will
happy.
make everyone happy, oh my god,
not
you-
possible.
It's
Literally pessimistic.
yeah, but even the people who have had fun, even the people, I've had a situation where I mean, I hope, yeah, not
cooling
name
one?
obviously,
Yeah,
but there's one like food vendor in Lahore, yeah, food vendor.
Oh, yeah.
Every time for the past 3-4 years, they have sold out. And when I say sold out, I'm talking about millions of rupees of
But
sales.
the food is amazing. I know
Okay?
which one you're talking about.
Millions of rupees of sales. Not once have they just been happy. And
Yeah, that's true.
And I'm talking about like, what could they possibly, that's the best case scenario for like a brand coming there, that they are selling out, and what they do in a month of others says they're doing in a couple of days. So you'll never make anyone happy, including the people who are coming. Some people will have a good time, but they'll be like, oh, but this was happening. And that's fine. By and large, those people will come back next year or the next event, because they know that you have given them that 1,000 rupee experience properly. And that changes. Let's say if it's a concert, it's 3,000 rupees. There are multiple people doing concerts. A lot of them are terrible.
Yeah,
But-
but you get to hear about it.
Yeah, you get to hear about it, and you see
It goes on the trend. It's
Like, there's
a
some
trending
artist
thing.
concert recently that happened
Yeah.
in South,
yeah.
Yeah.
right?
And then-
We all were
Yeah.
like, हमें
Yeah.
सबको सुनाई दिया कि
Yeah.
आज ये
Yeah.
sound यहाँ पे बिल्कुल अच्छी हुआ है।
Right. And that's an instant feedback loop that I think because of social media you have. And I think those are the things that you have to kind of take into consideration. And you have to have the heart to also go out there and apologize. If you've done something wrong at your event, don't expect it to be like, I'll just put it under. the
Own
rug.
up to it. Yeah.
Own up to it
Yeah.
and say, we're sorry. We
Okay, so the last big thing is sponsors. Now, how do you deal with them? What is उनको क्या चाहिए? So yeah, किसी को अपना banner वगैरह चाहिए, but what is it that they usually complain about or negotiate with you when the event is being like organized? When you
Yeah.
go to them for
I
sponsors?
mean, I think the biggest thing is money.
I think first of all, I think you just want to make them feel important.
Yeah.
Right? Like you just want to make them feel important, first of all,
Yeah.
is something that, is a
But
big
yeah,
thing.
right now, sponsors, they're only sponsoring events based on connections or corruption. Take it.
Big one.
That's right. It's true.
It's, I mean, I think, yeah,
it
I think
is
that's
there,
a whole
it is
other
there.
space. Yeah, that I think he's so right. Let's say from the bigger events, let's say we can still go out there and
Yeah.
make a case, and the brand will be asked कि तुमने Mashon क्यों नहीं किया और Converse नहीं किया from their BMs, their brand managers. But otherwise,
Otherwise, the majority
it's
is
a
like this,
majority is
right?
happening through, like, oh, I
Because you
know
guys
this
are
person.
outliers.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
outliers.
We're-
So the
exactly,
majority-
we're outliers.
But
But
everyone else has
otherwise,
these two things.
yeah,
It's not data backed at
at all.
like
Yeah.
At
zero.
all.
They
Yeah.
just want to feel good when they go to the event. They
And
want to
logo
feel like-
लगा
And
दो,
yeah,
बोले,
either
और
they
उससे
know them
कुछ
or
नहीं
they're earning out of it, all these
Most
things,
season sponsors now don't even worry that much about their logo and all of
or
that.
ROIs or
Yeah.
anything like
They
that.
have
Yeah.
their own activation, वो अपना पैसा खर्च करते हैं उसके ऊपर, and they don't care about that. They want passes, and they'll come. They know कि हमें इन events पे visibility चाहिए. Then I recently learned, because I was talking to someone and said a lot of times sponsors have a vision for the year, and they will find someone who's aligned with
Aligned,
that
yeah.
vision. But then there are some who are just like मेरे चचा थे, मेरे पुप्पा थे, उन्होंने ये तो वो,
Yeah,
ऐसे
ऐसे ही है.
and
And this is now like this is a big focus of mine personally, which is sponsorships. Okay, look, every event organizer like we does, they need funding. They need funding from sponsors to
Yeah.
have a successful event. And at all the different brands, they want to have that awareness and whatnot. And because of the connections and corruptions issue, no one is getting any real ROI. on it. The
Mm.
people that deserve money and funding for their events, they don't
They're
get
not
it.
getting it.
And the
Yeah.
sponsors that are sponsoring events, they get no ROI.
Because they never get to see the data, obviously. Now you have the data.
We have the data. So we don't share the data. Okay, we're not giving
But
you
how are
name,
they
number,
measuring
email.
ROI? So I'll give you. So for me, the sponsorship world is recent because I recently took on a sponsor for our podcast. He was someone very nice, but it's called Kiss Bazaar. But they don't want
To justify
their
it.
views are. He didn't care about that. He's like, कौन देख रहा है is what I care about.
Yeah.
And
Exactly.
मुझे नहीं पता यहाँ से sales होंगी नहीं होंगी, but it needs to be placed a certain
Right.
right.
Yeah.
So is that I think most brands should, from a branding point of view,
It is.
वो भी नहीं
It is.
सोचते ना. This is the problem. They don't at least look at your target audience. Does it match
Mm.
with the brand and the वो भी नहीं देखते.
But I think with a lot of brands, it is very important because they have to justify the ROI.
हाँ.
It is. They go there, they all go out there, they tell you to send you the deck.
intangible.
The whole thing is
It
that
is
you send a very
intangible,
good deck,
sure, but
even if the numbers are correct or not, they don't care. If the deck is there, if the deck is made in a very good, presentable way, they will sponsor you. They will somehow justify the ROI even if they don't make the return on it and all.
Yeah, they go. A lot of the big brands, they have to spend certain amount.
Yeah.
they have to.
End of the
It's
year
a-
तो उनको
yeah.
करना भी होता है ताकि उनके budgets cut ना हो.
Oh.
ठीक है, ये भी होता है
I
उसमें.
don't even know how would they measure ROI at an event.
At the very
I think the
least, it's
footfall.
like, okay, footfall to definitely, but is it relevant? Is the audience relevant?
Yeah.
Did we have an activation? Just putting your logo
Yeah.
on something, this not going to do anything,
Yeah.
right? So the activations that you guys are talking, which happens primarily at these pop-up type things, that's much better for sponsorships.
100%.
And also these
100%.
sponsors saying कि वो आ रहा है तो मैं नहीं आ रहा, वो वाला ब्रांड आ गया तो
Review.
ये बहुत बड़ी चीज है.
Exclusivity बहुत
ये
चाहिए.
वो आ रहा है. अच्छा
Especially बड़े
मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ 10 साल लेने लूंगा, स्टेज पे लोगो चाहिए, मुझे यहाँ पे ही चाहिए. That's not how it works. It works like, these are the certain ways कि आपको ये एक बैनर मिलेगा, बैनर के आपको ब्रांडिंग मिलेगी, you will have on ground branding. उसके लिए ये अमाउंट है, थोड़ा बड़े ब्रांडिंग तो ज्यादा ब्रांडिंग के लिए ये अमाउंट है. They don't understand this. They go like इनमें इतने ही पैसे दूंगा, मुझे हर जगह डाल.
I've also
This is
had
wrong.
some people offer shocking prices where I'm just like somebody who is a very big
Mm.
brand
Yes, yeah.
said 50,000 में हमें एक
Yeah, yeah.
space दे दे, and I was like,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
like even the small business
When it-
vendor
yeah,
is
yeah.
And
paying
also
for
one
it.
more
That's
thing.
the
For
funniest.
example, if they're giving you 50 lakh rupees, for example, they'll go like कि एक काम कर आप हमें 200 टिकट्स दे दें. अब मैं 200 टिकट्स are for 5,000 rupees यार. Do the math. Like how does it make sense for me to even put money out of? So they also need to understand that the tickets are not for free.
That is
for-
our revenue.
And that a lot of people need to understand that, not just sponsors. I think
Because
because
that
people
adds
just
up,
message
right?
you.
Up to,
Yeah.
if I'm
Yeah.
giving everyone 200 tickets and
वेन्यू
Yeah,
आपसे
yeah.
लेता है, एक तो आपसे पैसे लेता है,
Yeah.
ऊपर से आपसे टिकट भी
और वो हिसाब में भी नहीं आता.
अच्छा
Yeah.
tickets is
Yeah, हर कोई.
everyone takes
Everyone.
tickets.
But like if that guy has like a, for example, sock factory, I'm not going there and picking up his socks for free. Right? I have to pay for that.
अच्छा,
They also
how
need to
many-
understand.
Like I will have a venue tell me Mashan ने तो इतने टिकट दिए थे. I've had venues tell me Mashan ने इतने पैसे दिए थे,
Yeah.
like triple the amount that, and then I've literally
lot of
devastated
pitching,
के
yeah.
बोलिया कि हमने क्या सर कैसे present
हमें भी यही
वो
बोलते
कैसे
हैं हमें भी यही बोलते हैं
you against each other as well.
Yeah, oh.
दूसरा वाला तो ये कह रहा था मुझे
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
जरूरी थोड़ी है कि-
Because we don't have multiple venues. We have
Yeah.
like
वही ना।
a couple
But
of
Yeah.
so
venues.
just generally doing an event here is difficult and very expensive. If you
Mm.
look abroad, you have venue बना बनाया मिलता है.
Yeah.
Yeah,
ठीक है,
the money
आपको
put being
artist लाना है, artist भी takes a fee and then there's a percentage of sales
Yeah.
as well.
I think
It's
the
a
money
different model.
the money being spent over there is being spent in the right way. For
Yeah.
example, the technical is supposed to be expensive, the artist is supposed to be expensive, the venue is supposed to be, in a
Venue में ये
affordable
सब
price.
already होता है
होता
stage
है,
sound सब कुछ provided होता है टेबलें कुर्सियां भी होती हैं that's all part
Even
of their
security.
fee
But
Yeah,
then
but-
we've experienced this, venue ने आपसे tickets भी release सब कर लिया, now their bosses are coming in.
Mm.
So they want a separate gate, they want a, there's a whole drama to it कि my person is
मुझे
coming.
याद आया अभी जब हमारा 6 and 7 का हुआ था तो there was a guard who sold our invite that we gave to the venue like it's an invitation card it's not even a ticket
Oh.
he sold it to somebody at the gate for 1,000 rupees and this
Imagine.
boy comes and he presents it to the ticket wala counter and he's like ये मेरा ticket है and they're like what is this he's like ये मुझे guard ने बेचा है are you serious so
No,
it's
even
just
they
crazy.
WhatsApp the tickets. They buy the tickets. They get it on the email, and then they WhatsApp it to each other. कि इसी पे आ जाना. And then the first person who comes in will get in. The other people who will follow behind will not. Obviously, the ticket
It
will
can only
be.
be scanned once.
Yeah.
right? उसका अब use हो जाता है.
But yeah, I think the sponsor thing is a huge, like, if we can't fix that problem, then the market will always be stuck in this little bit of thing. Like, let's say we're outliers and we're doing, but no one else can enter. Because at the end of the day, evolution needs to happen of just ideas and what we're doing, right? Like, we can maybe come up with it and go pitch it to someone. But for a new person who maybe has a brilliant idea, but they're not being able to go to a sponsor and get that money.
Yeah.
then
That platform
you're
needs to be
kind of like,
created.
you're
यही
stuck.
आप कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
right?
Stuck, yeah. So I think the data needs to be there. I think that at the end of the day, it's tough for us also. What we do is post event for every brand sponsor, we give a data
After
deck.
sale, yeah.
कि कितने लोग थे, कितनी हमारी रीच थी इंस्टाग्राम पे, कितनी हमारी आपको हमें कितने रीच मिला, let's say whatever. And it's again not tangible.
Yeah.
But we try to at least make it as more so that we're like, okay, there's some data for you to take home. And everyone should be, kind of doing that kind of work. And that's the only way the sponsor will be kind of trusting you. But for a normal person getting up, you're
It's very
dealing with a
tough.
problem.
It's almost impossible.
It's almost impossible,
So I understand you.
There is one situation where it's possible, where it's like a lot of, black money.
Connections of
Yeah.
वही बात है.
Yeah.
So
That's
यही
the
होता है.
only
The
way
money doesn't have a tail.
where someone is just having an event.
But
like,
we
when-
pay.
yeah.
But we pay. We
Yeah.
pay.
like when you're
Yeah.
really confused, कि how is this person doing this event? Just know.
But there's also
Yeah.
this, again, I'm looking at it from a female lens in this hopeful, optimistic thing. Ke, I did it. There
Yeah.
was
No,
nothing,
100%.
right?
Yeah.
It came out of nothing. So I think there's also being at the right place at the right time.
Yeah.
Having an element of luck or timing is so important. in everything.
Timing.
But you started
I
small
think-
and you stuck it
But
out.
Yeah.
you have to start somewhere, but
we
then
did
you
not
have to have your
So
heart in
where
it.
No one else was doing this. We were the first ones who bought this. I didn't reinvent any wheel. Bazaars, markets, to hamesha se ho rahe. It was just the way I did it. I did it in my way.
But when did
And
you get sponsors? After how
I
many
got
events?
sponsors after the first 3 events.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you did 3 events without. That's the thing. Most people don't have that.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, and-
We didn't even, our first event was sponsored. So I didn't even have to go through the 3 events because
But you had
we
Mash
would
It.
mash in and
Because
all of that, there was a
sponsors.
trust, right? But वही है कि if you don't have all of that and you want to execute something, how do you
But
do
then brands don't pay you that much on the first event.
No,
they just,
nothing,
yeah, you
so,
just get
but
like a
at
bit
least
of pocket
you
money.
still
That
need
little
a
proof
cushion
of
was
concept
something,
that's
right?
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think that market is a little bit, and I think on the brand side, that people, I think, need to understand that social media is amazing, but the current space now, especially with AI and the AI slop and like what you can't even tell now, okay, is this real or not?
Yeah.
more and more, I think my huge bet is on live experiences.
Yes.
Because people will want more of like something that they can feel and touch and be like, okay, this is a real
they want
thing.
they want more things to do.
more things to do
I mean,
in
even if you
real
look
life.
at COVID,
Yeah.
after COVID, there's been
There's
Exactly.
a huge spike, right? Yeah.
But this year, like in 2025, it's kind of been remarkable.
been
Remarkable.
It's
Especially
well,
It's insane.
concerts.
Yeah, the industry has picked up.
Shows like I think.
But again, all spaces. When you go on that
But
ticket,
I
wallet
think
page, it's
comedy
like
shows
someone
need
is
more,
doing a
happening more and
therapy
more.
There's all sorts. Someone is doing a yoga thing. Someone is yeah.
This is a great.
Wellness is amazing. I know someone who's doing a 14-day whole rave.
Yeah.
You know, right? Rave wellness. Yeah. I mean, it's
Anyway.
But if you're dancing, you know.
yeah. It's a fitness, not a wellness. Oh, yeah.
But
Yes,
the
yeah.
market has grown so much over the last few. I mean, when we started out 2019, उस time पे maybe there's 100 events that were being ticketed in Pakistan, you know, in a year. We're doing like 2-3 times that a month right now.
Wow.
Just
Yeah.
us.
Yeah.
You know, so look at the
Yeah.
growth in the market itself.
But the question is, are all so bade events ko chhod ke, there's all these like little workshops and are they all doing well? Do they sell tickets?
Some do, some don't. You know, it's
But
growing.
that's
If
how
you
we
look
all
at
started
our-
also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it-
Then they also
No,
need to
but
start
like
somewhere.
right now in these 2 weeks that I've been here, there are so many events and I'm like, oh, I want to go to this, I want to go to
There's-
this. Pehle
yeah,
nahi hota.
There's something for everyone. And
Uh,
that's where we had focused when we started also. And even now, it's like work with the small ignored organizers. Don't just focus on the few large ones. Work with everyone because there's something for everyone.
But I also think
And
Gen
over
Z is
time, it's
taking
grown.
more interest in it. Gen Zs are, you know, they want to get out, they want to experience new things and all, and they're helping us a lot.
And I think the
Like with this.
small experience is actually like, in a way, like the large experience is there for us and all of that. But these smaller experiences are like let's say where you started, is that little by little, let's say it's a wellness thing. It starts with like 10 people who've come for yoga, whatever it is, right? And then the next time around you're doing it, there might be 30 people.
Yeah.
And that is
Yeah.
literally how it gets built up as long as you are doing it right.
And these coffee
Yeah.
shop raves 6 months ago, they didn't exist.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
And now there's
in my
so
mind.
many that are happening.
But now it's like everything. But yeah, that's what I feel like is the whole international thing. Sure.
There were so many workshops on our site or even events that would sell 0 tickets. Okay. And if it's free, it's free. We won't charge
Yeah.
you. But now even those are starting to sell a little bit. The same ones that did nothing
nothing.
before now are doing a little bit. Some are
Which is
doing
good for the
really
industry.
well.
Which is very good for the industry.
Aista, you know,
Yeah.
they all grow.
learning and they grow, right?
Yeah.
Because now people come to our website to see what's going on.
Yeah. I
They
think
come
that's such a big thing
Yeah,
also.
they come
Just to
discover.
see कि क्या हो रहा है, what's happening.
उसी में उनको marketing. Yeah, अब वो करना है.
Valuable resource. Unfortunately, it shut down.
Yeah.
Because I was like, I don't want to make this about
Our
me, guys.
page
but
got
when it's
taken
okay.
down
Yeah.
literally 2 days before the event, man.
Yeah.
Because of this whole scamming wala scene.
Yeah. Now
So-
even picked up.
It's back.
The most stressful
About them.
situation.
It's their business. But finally, I'm like, okay, I don't want to make this about me.
Yeah, everyone is saying this is really bad timing for us. I'm like, this is much worse for us, man.
That happened at Rashid once, I remember, and
The online thing.
yeah, the Instagram
Yeah.
was taken. I swear, I was like, what? So that's it. Like your business is gone. in 1 second. Boom.
Yeah.
It's
Which
good.
sucks. There's no way. Like, what do you do to protect yourself?
I said ours was verified. Yours also
Yeah,
was
verified, man. But like,
This was the
someone- there
point.
was some like copyright, some
Yeah.
situation,
You need
and
to
I
know
think you have
something.
strikes. Yeah, and then I had to literally go out
Who's
there.
out there? Who's I've
It's not bug size at Meta. Like if you ever have a serious
Oh,
issue, I know
okay.
people. We can.
Chale.
That's literally what I before I remember I went to this Meta thing. What was his name? Emailed him.
Exactly what you need to do because yeah, you're heavily reliant on that platform.
Yeah, man.
But thanks so much, guys. I think this
Yeah.
is super valuable. I've been thinking about some live event.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can tell.
got all my answers that I need to work on. But really appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for having us, yeah.
Having this talk.